Hello and welcome. I'm Adriana, a physiotherapist, and if you've been watching a lot of my videos, today is a little bit of a different video. Today I will be going through an exercise practice called Dynamic Neuromuscular Stabilization, or DNS. It's a bit of a mouthful. So you can just grab anywhere that's comfortable for you on the floor. You'll need a bit of space to try these exercises. So go grab that and I'll explain a little bit more in the video. Let's get started. Dynamic Neuromuscular Stabilization, or DNS, is an exercise practice that originated in Prague, and it is an exercise practice that focuses on something called intra-abdominal pressure. So we're using our breathing and that intra-abdominal pressure to support all the muscles of our body. So I will teach you how to do this in this brief class, and we'll go through some different DNS postures. So I'll get you to start with me lying on your back. You can have your knees bent, your feet resting. You can place your hands right around where your hip bones are. We're just going to go through the breathing that is utilized for DNS, and we'll try and practice this breathing throughout all the different shapes today. So what I'm going to try and get you to do is try and breathe nice and deep through your stomach so that you can feel your hands lifting where they are on your lower stomach. And once you feel like you can do that, like your hands are lifting, you feel the air coming in and out, I'm going to invite you to take your hands and wrap them around the sides of your body. And try and see, can you not only get your breath really deep, but can you also get your breath into your side body? So we're trying to expand our breath as much as we can, getting our breathing 360 degrees through our lower stomach, through our side body, and eventually through our back. And if this feels hard or confusing, or you don't know if you are doing it right, that is completely okay. Just try your best. And if you feel like, okay, I can get my breath deep into my stomach, I can feel it in my side body, I want you to now place your hands and wrap them around onto your lower back and see, can I also get my breath into my lower back? And when we use our breath this way to get it 360 degrees, we can use that intra-abdominal pressure to help support our spine, support our core, support everything. And ideally, we are doing this with nose breathing. Okay, I'm going to move into the different shapes today. So trying to practice that breathing throughout the practice, I'm going to get you to lift both of your legs in the air, keeping your knees bent, facing your feet so they're slightly scooped in towards one another. Keeping the neck long and relaxed. And just see if you can keep that same breathing pattern with your legs up like this. (360-degree breathing. One more breath here. And from here, I'm going to invite you to roll onto your side. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your right arm, you're going to place it out beside you. You're going to roll onto your right side so that you're resting on this right leg. You're resting on the right forearm, and your left leg can be resting just gently behind the right one. As you're like this, your neck can be nice and long. You can push down through that right leg, push down through that right forearm. And hold this for a couple breaths, once again trying to maintain that 360-degree breathing. And on your next exhale, I invite you to roll back down to the ground into how we were. So roll, legs come up, and we're back with our legs up, feet scooped slightly towards each other, knees are bent. Trying to get a 360-degree breath here. Neck long and relaxed. On your next exhale, I invite you to roll the other way. So you will roll onto your left side now, resting on the left forearm, left leg, right leg slightly behind the left, neck nice and long. Couple breaths here, pushing down through that left forearm, down through that left leg. And on your next exhale, making your way into a low lunge. So you're going to twist your body over. You're going to bring that left foot in front. That right leg's going to stay down. You're now in your low lunge. And from here, same thing. Really trying to get that breath into that lower stomach, to that side body, to that back body. Deep breaths. From here, I invite you to take both your hands and place them on the inside of that front leg, trying to keep your back nice and long. And same thing here, deep breath. Keep that neck long, keep those shoulders away from the ears. Moving into bear, so bringing your hands a little bit more forward than that left foot, taking that left foot, bringing it back so that you're now on all fours. From here, pushing down through the hands, going up onto the toes, and then lifting those knees up if possible. Holding here, back nice and long, neck nice and long. You can push the body back, keeping those knees bent, so it's different than a downward dog. 360-degree breathing. Come back to that lifted tabletop and lower down. Switching to the other side here, so taking that right foot, bringing it forward, having both hands in beside the right foot. Once again, neck long, back flat. Deep breath. And on your next exhale, I invite you to come up to that low lunge again. Same thing here. Body tall. Neck long, shoulders relaxed. Deep breath. Last couple DNS movements here. I invite you to come onto your stomach. Now, when you're on your stomach, placing your hands in front of your forehead so that your hands are in a bit of a triangle. Keeping those forearms down. Keeping your body rested, so your legs are going to stay rested on the ground. Your hips are going to stay rested on the ground. And from here, you're going to try and push down through your forearms so that you are lifting your chin up. You're getting a nice little chin tuck here. The body is nice and long. Your hips stay down. And you just hold this. Shoulders away from the ears. Chin tuck. One breath. Relax the legs. And on your next breath, you can exhale and come back onto your back for some final resting breathing. Just like how we started the practice, knees bent, feet on the ground. And just trying to get
the 360-degree breathing into the lower stomach, into the side body, into the back body. Neck relaxed, jaw relaxed, face relaxed. And you can rest here and breathe as long as you would like. Thank you so much for joining me in this DNS flow. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time.